Hi, I'm Tristan McCauley from Lucky 7 Tattoo, and I'm here to talk to you about how to treat an infected eyebrow piercing. First thing you're going to want to do is to take that ring out. Don't. That can open up the pore, open up the wound, and lead to an abscess, which is not fun. What you want to do is clean it. Clean it, clean it, clean it. 2 to 3, 4 times a day. Just clean it with the antibacterial soap. Lather it up. Go around the outside of it with the Q-tip, get any of the buildup off of it, get any of the pus from around it. Then after that, what you want to do is take some sea salt and some water. You want to use about a tablespoon to every quarter cup of water. Just boil it, let it cool. Dip a paper towel in it and just let it rest on your eye, like right on your eyebrow, for about 10 to 15 minutes. After that, it'll start to suck all those impurities out, pull all the pus out, and help clean up that whole area. And that is how you take care of an infected eyebrow piercing.